Thinking about renting a budget moving truck? Before you book, here are a few things you should know to help you choose the right truck and avoid unexpected costs. Budget truck rental is a popular choice for DIY movers because it offers affordable options for both local and long-distance moves. You can choose from a cargo van, a 12-foot truck, a 16-foot truck, or a 26-foot truck, depending on how much you're moving. One of the most popular options is the 16-foot truck. It's a good fit for many 2 to 3 bedroom homes and can handle large furniture and plenty of moving boxes. If you're unsure which size to rent, it's usually better to choose the larger truck. A truck that's too small could mean making multiple trips, costing you more time and money. When comparing prices, don't look at the rental rate alone. For local moves, Budget typically charges a daily rental fee plus mileage. For long-distance moves, you'll usually receive one combined quote based on your truck size, distance, and move date. Don't forget to factor in fuel, optional protection plans, and moving equipment like dollies and furniture pads. Before returning the truck, refill it to the fuel level listed in your rental agreement. Returning it with less fuel may result in additional charges. Overall, Budget is a solid choice if you're looking for an affordable moving truck with multiple size options. Just be sure to compare quotes, understand what's included, and choose the truck that best fits your move. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.